show you.
Lisbon, okay? So you have lots of fortress since into Cabo de Roca to lead to the city center, because they were all part of the big coastline defense, and they managed to protect quite well. Vasco da Gama.
It sounds familiar.
Somewhere in my head.
Isn't he an explorer?
Yes.
Yeah, I have heard of him.
Oh, okay. Very well. So Vasco da Gama got all famous because, you know, he has a reputation of being this big explorer, big navigator that found the seaway to India on the 1400s. And he was also the first one to go around because, my friends, they thought India was in that direction, in the other side of the ocean. But let me remind you that, you know, this is the westernmost point of continental Europe. Because you look in front and you cannot tell where the ocean ends or the sky begins. They fade into each other. Right. It really fools your eye to believe that there's no more land to discover. And that's why they call it the end of the world. But obviously it was not. They were also wrong about that. Right. Shocking.
So, we made it. The end of the world, the beginning of the world. But here it is. So, I'll steer it. Known as the westernmost part of the continent of Europe. The beginning of the world, the end of the world, a few different things. It's originally known as the end of the world. As you can see the horizon out there, just doesn't seem to be anything else after that part. Once they discovered the New World, they knew that that wasn't correct, so now they refer to it as the beginning of the Earth. Wow, look at that. Ooh, look, little Portuguese rock hopping. Ah, yes indeedy. Let's hop it. We'll make our way down here to the end. Almost there. Let's check it out. Don't know if this wind's too much for y'all. Apologize if it is. Didn't bring the wind reducer out here with me. Let's take a peek. Ooh, boy. Sophia said to decide whether we thought it was the beginning or the end. Definitely the beginning, Sophia. Definitely the beginning. It's going to wrap up our little central tour here. I mean, amazing. No better place to end it than at the beginning of the world. I mean, so many sights, so many wonders. Lisbon, you're amazing. Sophia, thank you. Everyone else on the tour, you've been amazing. Really hope everybody had a good time. Take it easy, y'all. Bye. here to the bottom. Maybe that CN Tower took my fear of heights out, because I ain't feeling it. Let's show you. That was it. Central tour. No better place to end it at than at the westernmost part of the continent. Sophia, you asked if I thought that this was the beginning of the end. After some deep contemplation, I have decided, and this is 100% fact, that this is indeed the beginning of the earth. So, it was a lot of fun. Another tour. Hope that the wind didn't cause too much of a problem with the audio of this, and we're going to move on. I think that we have one more stop.
I understand the surfing.
Wow.
You understand what? Sorry?
I understand the surfing now.
Yeah,
You
right?
understand?
Yeah, makes sense.
The waves, because of the waves.
Yeah.
It's the waves.
It's like great for surfing.
And nowadays it is not a fancy hotel inside. In my opinion, it's still creepy, still a fortress, but a fancy hotel inside.
That's pretty.
Alright. Do you think 1 hour and a half is good for you to have lunch and maybe
Oh,
grab a
absolutely.
gelato, and you can put even your little feet on the beach right here or in those small
Yeah,
bays?
that sounds fantastic.
I already have a list of restaurants that are my favorites around here, but you are free to make your favorites. But all of the ones in the list, it's like, you know, I made a top 5 that I like.
Uh-huh.
You can pick for yourself, but I will tell you, I will let you take
The
a picture.
Marisco.
Marisco na Praça, at the public market of Cascais. To go there, you only need to walk this main street in the direction.
Hola from Portugal once again. So today we're going to explore the beautiful city of Cascais, here right outside of Lisbon. It's a gorgeous little city, have a lot of boutiques, a lot of different restaurants. Sophia gave us a nice recommendation list, so we're going to go on ahead. And I'm going to be joined by Audrey and Lori. So let's go. Murals. It's a nice little city to explore. We're here at Morisco. Might have lunch here, not sure. Nice little spot. Enchilada lobster. Maybe. So that last restaurant didn't work out for the group, so trying to organically find a little something else. Hopefully soon. Getting a little hungry. All right, lunchtime. Dom Manolo. So it's a little traditional Portuguese food. I'll show you in a minute. Traditional Portuguese sausage. Audrey was a lot more adventurous than me with the sardines. And that is a beautiful prawn salad. Dinner. It's a nice little meal at Don Manolo. So went on ahead and parted ways with Audrey and Lori. I'm gonna go down here. Saw this cool little clothing shop. Come on. Y'all know. You know what time it is. Let's go. Hello, how are you?
Hello.
Off-white, my kind of guy. Whew. Came in for the off-white. Checking in the back to see if they have any menswear. I think I can turn it down if they have something pretty cool. Hola.
Hola.
Men's.
You need some help? Okay.
Oh, I'm just gonna browse around. I'll let you know.
Okay.
Thank you though. Off-white strikeout, but what do you expect here in Portugal? Just kind of surprised already to see that they had some available. Really nice store though. Went in, Cascais. Come on down. Passed on the gelato the girls are having. Oh, only got 10 minutes left here, and I just now found this little street. Still got 2 more days in Lisbon. Might have to make my way here on my own. Ooh. Obrigada, Portugal. Obrigada. Just need about 20 more minutes. Damn it. It's no time to... Let's check it out. You got some English?
Yes.
You got shot glass?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, it's 2.
Ah, thank you. All right, Pops. Time to get your Lisbon cup. It's better than the good old traditional tram. Let's go. Chickens. You know it's coming home with me. Spend all the money here. Most death. Let's see, we got till 4:30. Got about 4 more minutes. And you know I'm not late, so better head back now. Guys, I think I definitely got to come back tomorrow. Found the Arabic shawarma. Oh, bueno. So Sophia said the nickname of this place is Cash Cash, and I can see why. Just really immaculate stores, really high-end goods. Could have spent all day here and spent all the euros I brought. Unfortunately, ran out of time. So this little Cash Cash tour, complete. Thanks for coming along, guys, and see you on the next one. Peace. Where do I want to? Where would I stay in between the two? Yeah. I would stay in Cash Cash.
Oh, I'm not surprised.
Because that's the only place I saw a shawarma at. Shawarma restaurant.
Really?
If they had a shawarma in Sintra, I'd stay there.
Okay. Okay. How you extended?
I'm an easy guy.